I've had a lot of persons complain that they usually experience delays whenever they want to access their Metamask wallet, especially during this call claiming period, the call DAO. Okay, now there is a simple trick on how to quickly, on how to quickly access or open your Metamask wallet. Now that simple trick begins by you turning off your data. You turn off your data first, then you tap on your Metamask wallet and just allow it to show up the next interface. Just allow it. It will show something like you are offline, something like that. That's the feedback it will give you, that you are offline. So it is faster that way, unlike the usual way. All right, so keep watching. Now what you do next is, once this interface shows up, what you do next is you turn on your data again, all right, and click on try again. Click on that button, try again. Can you see this? So this is how you quickly access your Metamask wallet without delays. This is the unusual way. All right, this is the unusual way you don't know. So this is how you quickly quickly access your Metamask wallet without delays.